Hello guys, I'm back on another video guys. I'm still pushing DXY. I'm still on DXY guys. Remember my previous video, I anticipated that the market was likely to push all the way to the downside, and from what I see that the market is still respecting this ascending beta structure right here. The market is still respecting the structure. However guys, let's just check what are the odds of the market. Let me just go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour guys, there's a flag here, there's a mini flag here, and a flag is a continuation pattern that the market is still likely to push all the way to the downside. So yes, the market might still push all the way to the downside to respect the 90% rule. However guys, we should check that we have a mini descending channel here on the 15 minutes time frame. See, we have a better structure right here. However, that structure guys, if you can just take a look at the structure, you can clearly see the flag on the 15 minutes time frame. You can clearly see the flag on the 15 minutes time frame that the market might break and push all the way to the 90% rule, all the way to my buy zone, as I highlighted this level as a buy zone, because the market will respect or will retest this bigger structure exactly on the buy zone. So that's all for DXY for today. That I anticipate that the market might still push all the way to the downside and come all the way to test this buy zone, and then push all the way to the upside and respect the overall 4 hour structure. The market might drop and come all the way to the buy zone, and then from there it will retest this overall 4 hour structure. This structure guys, the market might retest and then push all the way to the downside, coming all the way to the 90% rule in respect of this outer structure, and then from here the market will push all the way to the downside. So guys, that's all for DXY, the dollar index. Thank you guys. Let's see you guys on another video. Dollar. So I'm on the monthly time frame guys. So as you can see, we had an impulsive phase to the upside. Currently we are in a corrective phase, so we're expecting again a push to the upside. Let me just go to the weekly time frame guys. Let me just remove these things guys. Okay, then on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see the corrective structure right here. So we have our high here, we have our low, lower high, lower low, then lower low. So what makes this pattern verified is that we have 3 touches on our trend line support. We have 3 touches on our trend line support, or we have 3 lower lows, which makes this structure a valid structure. That is why the market pushed all the way from our 3rd lower low. Then on the daily time frame, we have on our daily time frame guys, we have a structure again. We have our descending channel, which is a corrective phase from this impulsive move. So this is an impulse to the upside, then correction. We are expecting again an impulse to the upside. So let me just remove these things guys. Okay, so yes, we have a descending channel right here. However, it's not yet verified. Why? Because we only have 2 touches on our trend line support. Only have our low, lower low. We're still expecting a 3rd touch on our lower low, on our 3rd lower low, expecting a 3rd touch on our trend line support. Then on the market will push to the upside. Then that's when we'll be looking for buy opportunities. That's when we'll be looking to go long in the market. For now, we're still expecting pushes to the downside. Let me go to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have an ascending channel which tested our lower high on our trendline resistance. Okay, so what we are experiencing here is pushes to the downside because we have 3 touches on our trendline resistance. Remember on my I forgot as to which video I told you that our trendline resistance is where we are looking for shorts, for sales. Then our trendline support is where we are looking for buys in such cases. So here we have our trendline resistance. We have 1, 2, 3 touches. That is why the market pushed all the way to the downside. Currently, we are still expecting a retest of this level right here because this is a verified level. So we're expecting for a retest from that level. Then from there, I'll be looking for sells from this level right here. That's only if the market comes to that level. I'll be looking for sales all the way to my take profit being here, my first TP. Then when the market breaks my first TP, I'll just lock my profits all the way to the downside, and then my overall take profit will somewhere be here on this level right here. So go to the 1 hour. So as you can see, guys, I'm expecting a push to the downside, the market to come all the way here and then push to come here and then sell from here, because as you can see, guys, this is a very sensitive area. See, there's a touch and then the market broke it with a false breakout. Then the market came again inside, which makes this level a very sensitive area. That is why I still anticipate that the market is going to come here and then push to the upside and then come and retest this level and then push all the way to the downside. So NZDCAD, we are still expecting to go short. We're still expecting sales on NZDCAD, and then from there we'll be looking for long-term buys. So from what I see, I think like it's gonna take a long time for the market to come all the way here. This is going to be a long-term trade, guys. Going to be a long-term trade. So probably by next week, then that will be the time the market might come and test the 3rd touch of our trendline support. So that's all for NZDCAD, guys. Thank you.